Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Muhammad Haidar Zulhan. I'm come from 34. Here I will read some texts about dawn of Islam. The Prophet Muhammad had been spreading the religion of Islam quickly for 3 years when Allah commanded him to declare it publicly to the people. Allah also entrusted him to start with his own household, thus within his own family, thus among the idolaters could be ignored if they would not respond to his call. Muhammad understood his order and went into regiment in his house for a few days. He thought very hard about what he had to do. He tried to draw up a plan for the best way to approach his people and call upon them to accept the religion of Islam. The news Muhammad's retirement reaches some of his aunts or relatives. They become worried that he might to be well. They decided to go and pay him a visit. When they got to his house, they asked him about his health and told him how worried they had been about him. Muhammad answered that there was nothing the matter with him. On the other hand, he told them that Allah ordered him to introduce Islam to his family and household. So he had to sit down and thought about the best way to do that. He had to collect his thoughts and ideas before he could speak to any of his family and relatives. He then went and invited them all to dinner in his house, including his uncle and his aunts, all his cousins and nieces and their children, and even his stubborn uncle Abdul Uzza. Then Muhammad began to deliver his message to his family. He explained the new ideas he had received from God and warned them about what would happen to those who chose not to follow him. Here I will read the translate. Nabi Muhammad SAW telah menyebarkan agama Islam secara diam-diam selama 3 tahun. Ketika Allah memerintahkannya untuk mengumumkan secara terbuka kepada orang-orang, Allah juga memerintahkannya untuk memulai dengan rumah tangganya sendiri, mereka yang ada di dalam keluarganya sendiri. Orang-orang di antara para penyembah berhala dan dapat diabaikan jika mereka tidak menanggapi panggilannya. Muhammad mengerti perintahnya dan pergi pensiun di rumahnya beberapa hari. Dia berpikir keras tentang apa yang harus dia lakukan. Dia mencoba menyusun rencana cara terbaik untuk mendekati umatnya dan menyeru mereka untuk menerima agama Islam. Berita pengunduran diri Nabi Muhammad sampai ke beberapa bibinya. Ke beberapa bibinya atau kerabat, mereka menjadi khawatir bahwa dia mungkin tidak sehat. Mereka memutuskan untuk pergi mengunjunginya. Ketika mereka sampai di rumahnya, mereka bertanya tentang kesehatannya dan beritahu dia betapa khawatirnya mereka tentang dia. Muhammad menjawab bahwa tidak ada masalah dengannya. Di sisi lain, dia mengatakan kepada mereka bahwa Allah memerintahkan dia untuk memperkenalkan Islam kepada keluarga dan rumah tangganya. Jadi dia harus duduk dan memikirkan cara terbaik untuk melakukan itu. Dia harus mengumpulkan pikiran dan gagasan sebelum dia bisa bicara dengan keluarga dan kerabatnya. Dia kemudian pergi mengundang mereka semua untuk makan malam di rumahnya, termasuk paman dan bibinya, semua sepupu dan keponakannya dan anak-anak mereka, dan bahkan pamannya yang keras kepala, Abdul Uzza. Kemudian Muhammad mulai menyampaikan pesannya kepada keluarganya. Dia menjelaskan ide-ide baru yang dia terima dari Tuhan dan memperingatkan mereka tentang apa yang akan terjadi pada mereka yang memilih untuk tidak mengikutinya. Thanks for this, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.